everybody.
Hey there.
Time for an update. Papi Street Eats. Check it out.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
They have done some marvelous work in here. We got some, yeah, they've done a really quick job of things here, getting everything ready. Got some light boxes going around up here. Got some lights cut in, ready to put some LED lights all around, make this place glow. And show you the transition of this every so often. We'll update you on what's going on. But yeah, it's starting to come together. Of course, the street is hopping tonight. We're at the Viking across the street, and we got Drake over here talking to Dan from Grand Central. We're gonna paint this place up, looking good. Here's Drake. What's going on over here, Drake?
Well, you know, I don't know.
We're wheeling and dealing. Wheeling and dealing.
We'll see, maybe
I heard something about the Drake Central. I don't know.
Maybe, I don't know.
What do you think, Dan? This is Dan of the Grand Central Hotel. You're gonna come over here and see Dan
Central.
Rent some rooms over here at the Grand Central.
Drake Centerfield.
The Drake Center Fields. What do you think? We've got a name change coming over here. Dan Central Park. Dan Central. They want to make it Dan
Bar and
Central.
Chill Street Eats.
Put Dan's name on the
Dan's
side.
taking over Walking Street, guys. Get back.
Anyway, guys, yeah, the progress is going well. The guys got wires hanging everywhere, but it's a work in progress. We got a few more days before this really starts taking shape. So like I said before in the last video, we are going to build like some eating areas along all the walls here. We're going to have this wall all muraled up, nice, painted up. I'm going to move this bar out a little bit, make some more room for guys to sit. Of course, we're going to build a bar back in this corner. But yeah, they got this all fixed up. They got a light shadow box, like I don't know what you call it, but there's going to be LED lights tucked in behind this lip here, and it's just going to glow. It's going to glow up, make it look stand out. We got some plans for, well, you can eat along this wall as well. We're going to have a bar going across here, plenty of seats, a couple tables in the middle.
So lights are up top, so we're gonna glow it up and blow it up, guys. Come on down to Walking Street where we glow it up and blow it up.
Glow it up and blow it up.
Blow it up and blow it up.
There's that car salesman coming out again.
Guys, you come on down to Papi's Bar and Chill Street Eats. I'm going to give you a free Corvette with every meatball sub. Free Corvette will be shipped to your home. It may take a little while, you know, shipping's kind of slow right now, but it's coming, I promise.
Yeah, man, this is coming together really well. Give us about another week. We'll see another transition in this place. It won't look like the same place. We got to have some ceiling fans in here. It's rather cool right now. They put this new ceiling in, which will keep the heat down. And we're going to build us a bar right here. We've got a small bar going in right here. We're going to have some fraps, coffees, iced coffees.
Some fraps, some iced coffees. It's going to be exciting, guys.
We might even get an ice cream machine.
Talking about getting an ice cream machine.
How about a soft serve machine out here? Oh my goodness.
Magic shell in the cone. We're having some nice custom art murals that are going to be painted on both walls here.
Yep.
Going for that 1950s diner kind of feel. Pretty much the same feel that we have at the other location with the lights and plates and all that, same color scheme. So guys, it's going to be really exciting. Come on down, try it out, try the food, you're going to love it. And maybe something with rooms.
Maybe, you never know.
You never know.
We are going to leave some room on the sides of these murals on the walls for people to bring license plates.
Yes.
So you guys out there that's been bringing plates, thank you so much for helping us decorate the main location over on Don Wico in the Drake Hotel. We will ask for you to bring more plates, actually.
Right.
We'll decorate these walls with plates as well. So we want to keep the same feel, the same look as the OG Papi's down here on Walking Street. So you'll know where you're at when you walk in here and have a bite to eat. We do have some plans for some subs, some tacos, some pulled pork barbecue. All kinds of goodies.
Guys, check out this view. Could you imagine sitting here with this great food, meatball sub? See all this action here?
Yeah,
This
just
is
got
a great place. The best place.
the prime seats are right here.
See right there.
To the what? The Hall of Shame.
The Hall of Shame, the Street of Shame,
Street of Shame. The Street of Shame.
the
We
Walk
hold
of
our
Shame.
heads high.
That's what we should have named this place. Papi's Walk of Shame.
Walk of Shame.
The Walk of Shame.
That's the walk. The walk of shame is
The
at
day after.
8 a.m. when you wake up and you walk
Yeah,
checking
you're
out the hotel.
That's the day after.
What did I just do?
Right.
And you roll over and you see you had a duck.
You woke up next to a duck.
Yeah, you thought it was a girl, but it was
Our
really,
mascot wakes
yeah, it was
up next to you.
It was our mascot, Duck
Hey,
Diggler.
different strokes for different folks, I guess.
Yeah, that's right.
Sometimes you just got to get a duck.
Yep.
Oh my gosh. Hey guys, we're back.
Yes,
Back the
we're
next
here.
day.
W.S.
WS.
on Walker Street.
P.W.S.
P.W.S.
I said it's better than PMS. P.W.S. Papi's Walking Street. Anyway, we're here. It's the next day, and we're looking at progress. They flip the camera around. These guys are mudding up all the seams. They've got a lot going on out here on this outside edge, this overhang. It's looking really nice. They're going to get ready to paint tomorrow, and that'll be a whole different video in a couple of days that I'll let you see the next step of progress. But yeah, these guys are moving right along, making this look beautiful. Got all the seams, all the nail holes spotted up. Gonna have a big old 70-inch screen right here in this flat area, facing out towards the street, right out here. And everybody walking by will get to see all of our delicious food on that screen. We got some other plans for these walls. We got an artist coming in doing a great mural of food on both sides here. Can't wait to show you that. That's going to be really nice. With this lighting in here and everything's going to look really nice. Dino over here's got a sink for the bar installed today. Doing a little backsplash. Very nice. Good progress there. Nice little bar sink. And then over here behind the desk, we've decided we're just going to go continue on and just go ahead and skim coat all this stuccoed texture out of here, flatten it out, paint this as well. These girls over here just can't wait. You can't wait, can you? For your new paint job here, you can't wait.
Yeah, we need to change and put the other prices.
There we go. And you're going to make a new front desk too?
Yeah.
Wow.
And then
All right.
It's gonna take off this.
Oh, you're going to remove that top too, huh? You got some plans to do some renovating of your own, huh?
Yes. We need to make nice.
Yeah, you're going to make it nice. We're going to make it look real nice. Oh, and you got some fancy antlers going on or something. You like a deer. That's from Christmas. You got your Christmas lights going. All right. So, what do you girls think so far of all this work getting done? Yeah, it's going to be a good-looking spot, right?
We have a good skin.
They have good skills.
Yeah.
I know they do. They're great workers. I got lucky finding these guys, right?
Go to my house.
You're gonna have them working at your house next? Whoa, you done, you hear that, Dino? You got work coming at her house. Dino's just in the mood. He's not listening. He's deep in concentration here. Oh man. All right guys, looking good. Looking good. All right, we're gonna sign off.
Yes.
Until the next video, thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing. We'll see you on the next video. Some more updates on the P.W.S.
See ya, guys.
Hello, my friends. Morgan Freeman here. I know everyone is just chomping at the bit for Papi's Bar and Chill to open up here on Walking Street. But you're just going to have to go to the Drake Hotel to visit the OG spot. When you eat at Papi's, sometimes the best will just have to do.